Hello everyone, welcome again to another exciting video in biology. Right now, in this particular video, right, we'll be talking about placentation. Right, so we'll be looking at placentation in flowering plants. Now, a lot of students often confuse placentation for placenta. They are not the same. Now, placentation simply means the arrangement of ovule in the ovary of a flower. Is that understood? Now, how ovules, take note, ovules are fertilized seed, while ovary are linked to fruits. So, ovary is formed from, like a fruit is formed from ovary, while a seed is formed from a fertilized ovule. Now, let us go straight. Now, in simple word, what is a placenta? It is a place where ovules are attached, while placentation is the arrangement of ovules in the in the ovary. Now, there are 5 common types of placentation, right? Number 1 is marginal placentation. Simple. Now, from the word margin, along one part. Now, so in marginal placentation, the ovules are attached along one margin of the ovary. The ovules are attached along one margin of the ovary. A very good example is beans, of course, common. Beans, cowpeas, pride of Barbados, flamboyant plant, cassia. Now, the easy way to understand is the ovules are arranged by the side. If you have ever opened the pod of a bean, right, you see the way the seed they are arranged along one margin. Of course, bean, cowpea, flamboyant, cassia, they are very good example of flowers, right, that contains the marginal placentation. Number 2 is what we call the parietal placentation. Now, in parietal placentation, the ovules are attached to the inner wall or sides of the ovary. Example is is pawpaw. Now, a very good way to remember, right, without cramming, is that the ovules are attached to the wall, right? A very good example is the pawpaw, which I have told you earlier. Please do not forget it. Number 3 is the free central placentation. Now, in free central placentation, the ovules are attached to the central column. The ovules are attached to the central column, but this column is not joined to the ovary wall. The column is not joined to the ovary wall. A very good example is the canary flower. So the ovules are in the center, but the center is free. The ovules are in the center, but the center is free. That's the case of the free central placentation. Number 4 is the axile placentation. Now, in the case of the axile placentation, the ovules are attached to a placenta found at the center of the ovary, meaning the ovules are attached to the placenta that is found at the center of the ovary. Of course, a very good and common example is tomato. Is that understood now? Tomato, if you look at in the seed of a tomato, all the ovules are attached at the center of the of the ovary. Now, number 5, which is the last one, is the basal placentation, right? The ovules are attached at the base of the ovary. That is in the case of basal placentation. The ovules are attached at the base of the ovary. And a very good example is the sunflower. So from the word basal, the ovules are attached at the base. Easy way to understand. So when the ovules are attached to the base, it is called a basal or a basal placentation. And I've given an example as what we call what now, the sunflower. So a quick recap is that we have 5 common types of placentation. Remember that we said that placentation is the arrangement of ovules in the ovary, while the placenta is where the ovules are attached to. Now we talk about the types. We talk about the first one. We talk about the marginal, the parietal, the free central, the axile, and lastly the basal placentation. And this marks the end of this particular video. Do well to like, share, and subscribe. And our online classes is currently ongoing. Do well to contact us today. Thank you, and God bless you.